Hello children, today we will write what comes in between. Which number is this? 12. Which number is this? 14. What comes in between number? 13. 12, 13, 14. Number 13. Which number is this? 28. Which number is this? 30. What comes in between number? 29. Okay, make a line counting 28, 29, 30. Your answer is right. Okay. Which number is this? 59. Which number is this? 61. What comes in between number? 59, 60, 61. What comes in between number? 60. 59, 60, 61. Complete numbering line. Okay. Which number is this? 65. Which number is this? 67. What comes in between number? 65, 66, 67. Complete a line. 65, 66, 67. What comes in between number? 66. Which number is this? 78. Which number is this? 80. What comes in between number? 78, 79, 80. Complete. The number is 79. 78, 79, 80. Okay. Which number is this? 83. Which number is this? 85. What comes in between number? 83, 84, 85. 84, 83, 84, 85. Which number is this? 9. Which number is this? 11. What comes in between number? 9, 10, 11. Number is 10. Complete the line. 9, 10, 11. Okay, KG class. Which number is this? 15. Which number is this? 17. What comes in between number? Speak counting. 15, 16, 17. Number 16. Which number is this? 22. Which number is this? 24. What comes in between number? 22, 23, 24. 23. 22, 23, 24. Which number is this? 37. Which number is this? 39. What comes in between number? 37, 38, 39. 38. Which number is this? 41. Which number is this? 43. What comes in between number? 41, 42, 43. 42. Which number is this? 50. Which number is this? 52. What comes in between number? 50, 51, 52. Which number is this? 51. Which number is this? 98. Which number is this? 100. What comes in between number? 98, 99, 100. Number is 99. Which number is this? 6. Which number is this? 8. What comes in between number? 6, 7, 8. Number is 7. Okay. Okay children, just like this you will complete this work. Good day.